You have to say, yeah, we'll be there.
Action.
We are here at the Garnier Super UV. 1 second. Super cooling UV. Okay. We are here at the Garnier Super Cool. Super
Script
Water.
देखो script.
बहुत लंबा चलने वाला है यार.
Very fun. We are here at the Garnier Super UV Cooling Water Gel Sunscreen Shoot.
Cut.
Wow, impressed, yeah.
Thank you. चलो तेरी बारी.
8 hours later.
Yeah. So who has talked?
Monica, like random.
Sorry guys, one last take.
Okay, cool. Ready. No problem.
Yeah, you know, it's been 8 hours and my skin still feels fresh.
I had 8 hours.
Yeah,
The sunscreen actually works, huh?
stay protected.
Stay cool.
And cut.